Nejdelší zipline v Evropě, strach z výšek a Alpy. Tohle bude v dnešním videu, tak pojďte se mnou až do nedalekého Slovinska. Po vypůjčení věcí jsme rovnou sedli do dodávky, která nás odvezla na místo, kde ty zipliny začínají. Samozřejmě se to neobešlo bez strapných vtipů.
Alright guys, hello. So, first question, do you all understand English?
Yes.
Yeah, great, that makes it
Já si dám prdel. Oblekli jsme se do té ziplinové výstroje a pak nám průvodci šli ukázat, co máme a nemáme dělat.
Anybody here left-handed? No? All normal? Great. Alright, so. This was the longest zip line in Europe. Thank you for coming.
Ty vole. Teď přišla řada na mě a teďka čekejte ultimátní záběr. Teďka jsem si krásně natočil první ziplineu.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the longest one and the highest one of today.
Grab my books and a pen, headed to astrology, leaving Earth on the rag. 49-cent Jimmy John bread, allowing me to save my money just to party instead. Yeah, Bacardi and bread, Rhino already dead. On Wednesday night we do it right, wake up and do it again. I make my ass go to class, strolling on the grass, backpack strapped, always passing back facts on the napkins. Tilted down, flat brim, getting every answer right up on the section of the matchin'. After class, pop the Mac, find a chill spot to pack Vesuvius. So I'm fluent on the track, then I hit the sack. Hearing jazz like the Rat Pack. Dreams of hi-hats and rat-a-tat-tat, and like that, yeah, I like that. Add scratching and action, some music I can snap at. Saying peace to the weak, hearing beats in my sleep, feet tapping up and down as I catch a couple G's.
This is the fastest one of the day. Because that's the fastest one, you can tell me if you want a big push, medium push, or
Maybe
not.
big.
Big, all
I will
right.
try.
You will try, alright, no problem. So 3, 2, 1.
Better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Trying to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give.
What is the highest point on this zip line?
They're all about 60 meters from the ground.
And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left, and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end, no.
Alright, legs up and bye bye.
So I don't need history, and people only need to me. They don't want a victory, bad enough to get a seat. They'd rather just go leave it be. I know this journey I've been on since.